Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you a very tempting yet easy to make recipe that is none other than Nutella Flower Bread. It's very moist and fluffy and tastes really alluring. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin with the ingredients. Here I have taken 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of ghee. I'm using ghee instead of butter. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of yeast, half a cup of lukewarm milk, and a room temperature egg so that it can make with the other ingredients more evenly. And last but not the least, Nutella. Here I am mixing yeast, sugar and egg with the lukewarm milk. Now I'm adding ghee with it. Whisk it real good and mix it together. Keep it in a warm place for 10 minutes for yeast to activate. Now I'm adding the mixture of yeast, sugar and egg together with flour. The gentle whisk. After a moment I'm going to use my hands now and start to combine the dough. I will start kneading the dough. For that I have sprinkled a little amount of flour on the chalkboard. At the beginning it is very sticky, but after 10 minutes of kneading it will be very silky and soft. As you all can see, I have sprinkled flour on the chalkboard for 3-4 times. After 10 minutes of kneading, I have got very silky and soft texture of dough. Now I have just brushed a little amount of ghee on the bowl, taking off the dough from the chalkboard and placing it in the bowl. Brushing some ghee on the top of the dough. Now I will cover the dough with the kitchen towel and keep it in a warm place for 2 hours. After 2 hours, look how fluffy it becomes. And now I'm just going to transfer the dough from the bowl to the surface. I have already put enough flour on the surface so that the dough will not stick to the surface. Now I'm going to cut the dough into 4 pieces. I'll keep the other 3 pieces covered and will take 1 piece and roll it out. Now I will spread the Nutella in the middle of it, for which I'm using a knife. And now I'm going to cover it with another layer. I'm going to repeat the same process and will spread the Nutella in the center of it. Now I just cover it with the 3rd layer and spread Nutella on it. So here comes the final layer. Now I'm just gonna shape it up. Now I just take a medium-sized bottle lid and place it in the center. I'm gonna leave it there and proceed with the further procedure. At first I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces and then I will cut each one of them into 4 pieces. Now I'm going to take 2 pieces together and twist them in the opposite direction of each other thrice. And then I'm just laying them down and pinch the edges together. Now I'm brushing cold milk on it so that it turn out into a very nice golden color after baking. Now I will bake it in 180 degree for around 30 minutes. Now this Nutella flower bread is all ready to serve. If you want to give a special treat to your loved one on this Valentine's Day, don't forget to try out this recipe. I'm sure this flower bread will make your Valentine's Day even more special. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll be back with lot more exciting recipes and crafting ideas. Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Bye bye.